Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Purush Trading Academy. Today we are going to see one more the new idea of investing into bitcoins. I think most of you are already aware about the investing in bitcoin is highly risky. Yes, it is true, highly risky as well as highly reward also. No, this is the particular chart of an bitcoin. Actually, there is a drastic moment and again it will cools down, drastic moment again cools down. Then these are all the moment, especially with respect to the bitcoins. Actually, it will be the very volatile instrument. As of all already know that there will be a sudden up move of 300 400% just like that over a period of within a year. This can be the moment. As an investor, no, this kind of investment also we have to take some part of the risk in our investment journey. Otherwise, we will going to miss some kind of returns compared to the other investment strategies. Here today we will going to explore now how exactly we can invest into bitcoins from India without any issues. With safely we can invest bitcoins from India. Today we will see how exactly we can invest. I am just logging into my account IND Money. Now I am not going to promoting any app or any broker over here. Now I am using personally IND Money. Being in a trial, I just put some kind of money around. I invested around equivalent to $30. You can see here, and the current return is around 5.81. Almost since 7 to 8 months, I am been investing here. Almost this current return position it is showing. No, this return was reached to 50%, but again due to the volatility, it came down to again 20%. Today we will going to see that how exactly I have invested into bitcoins as well as the US stocks. Here we can see I have used ETF strategies. I think most of you are not aware about ETF strategies. What exactly ETF? ETF is exchange traded fund. Actually, this is a Bitcoin chart. For example, I need to invest Indian rupees in Bitcoin. It is not at all possible because Bitcoin is not listed in NSE. It is listed in US stock market. For that reason, I cannot use any broker from India. Just like that, we cannot invest, but we can invest indirectly through ETF. That's what this ProShare Ultra Pro QQ ETF is for US stocks. Similarly, for a Bitcoin also, we are having one ETF, ProShare Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Now, by using this, we can able to invest our money into Bitcoin. Here, I have for the trial purpose I have put some little money only for learning purpose. This is not a recommendation. Please do consult before investing any single penny into the Bitcoin or any investment ideas. Plan accordingly. There will be a huge risk associated with. Here almost we can see S&P 500. S&P 500 is nothing but the total 500 stocks listed in US stock market. Compared to that, how exactly it performed? ProShare Bitcoin performed minus 20% compared to S&P 500 since 3 months. 6 months it has outperformed the S&P 500. Since 1 year again it is outperformed. Again it is outperformed around 81.4% compared to S&P 500. Since 3 years, it is performed negatively, minus 31.46 compared to S&P 500. Now, this is the volatility, especially with respect to Bitcoin. That's why care has to be taken while investing. But anyhow, if we get an opportunity to invest when there is a huge fall, definitely we can use that as an opportunity to invest. I'm just switching regular Bitcoin chart into a Vito. Vito is nothing but it's an ETF. No, one more advantage with this particular ETF is dividend. You can observe every month almost that we will going to receive and dividends. You can see here there are huge dividend transfer every month. They used to do it. You can see almost month on month they are given dividend. Now that is an added benefit for us. You can see here the total return we got it around with respect to this around 13.5%, right? Plus dividend money only I received around $4, $4.4 almost. Now this is how we can use ETF strategies to invest into Bitcoin. Actually, this is an safest mode of investing the money into Bitcoin, because with a lesser money only we can able to purchase that particular Bitcoin through ETF. In this connection, I am going to sign out today. If you are having any doubts and clarification, please do comment in the video. This is not the investment recommendation. Before investing any money into stock market, please do proper research and consult your financial advisor. Here I am just explaining for educational purpose only. Thank you all for your patience listening.